Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Life is 10% what happens to you and 90% how you react to it. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow is our doubts of today. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take the moment and make it perfect. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. Every day is a new opportunity to change your life. The mind is like a parachute. It only works when it's open. Fear is a reaction. Courage is a decision. Don't compare yourself to others. Compare yourself to who you were yesterday. Happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from your own actions. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. It doesn't matter how slow you go as long as you don't stop. Creativity is intelligence having fun. Knowledge is power, but action is the key. Life is short. Smile while you still have teeth. Patience is not the ability to wait, but the ability to keep a good attitude while waiting. Change is painful, but it's necessary for growth. The best revenge is massive success. Don't let the fear of losing be greater than the excitement of winning. True freedom is living without fear of what others think. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Greatness is not found in comfort, but in effort. Success is not for those who think about doing something, but for those who do it. Self-confidence is the first secret of success. Don't give up. Start over and find a new way. Life is an echo. What you give comes back to you. The only person destined to succeed is the one who never gives up. Adversity is the crucible where character is forged. The best way to predict the future is to create it. Happiness is not having what you want, but wanting what you have. Perseverance is the engine of success. Life is short. Break the rules. Forgive quickly, kiss slowly, and love truly. The only way to do something excellent is to love what you do. The mind is powerful. When you fill it with good thoughts, your life changes. The key is not to prioritize what's on your schedule, but to schedule your priorities. Life is 10% what you experience and 90% how you respond to it. The only way to achieve the impossible is to believe it's possible. True wealth is health, not gold or silver. Life is like a mirror. If you smile at it, it smiles back at you. The best investment you can make is in yourself. Excellence is not an act, but a habit. Life is a series of collisions with the future. It is not a sum of what we have been, but of what we yearn to be. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Happiness is not something you postpone for the future. It's something you design for the present. Life is too short to live without passion. The only way to discover the limits of the possible is to venture a little beyond them into the impossible. True wisdom comes from experience, not just knowledge. The harder you work for something, the greater you'll feel when you achieve it. Your time is limited. Don't waste it living someone else's life.